yesterday I didn't upload because I was at the beach and with my friends, and I came home and it was already late and I wasn't in the mood to upload. But today I'm going to be opening up a 90/94 International Elite in NBA Mobile. Now, basically, first I just want to do a little overview on the promo. Basically, something they did was in the sets, they have these cool packs. I might open one of these if I can get enough of the frequent fire tokens, I think what they're called. Yeah. And I think these are really cool because like you can get these for easy. This is kind of easy. And I don't know, this card, I already have Clay there, but I might go for this card because it looks like a nice card. That card has fire stats, so I think I'm gonna go for it because, you know, in 2016 when the game just released, they had that when the like after the soft launch, when the actual game in the US released, if you played, you know that they had some sets with some 88 overalls and stuff. Yeah. One second. And basically they had some 88 overall Kyrie, 88 whatever his name is, Barbosa. And basically I like what they did this year. They give you a free 94 overall by completing the live events, which I really like. Basically I'm gonna open up this pack. And I'll open up these packs as well to warm up my luck. So my audio is on. That was not gonna be good. I shut it off though. I didn't know it was on. So sorry about that. Now I got this bonus pack. I think it just has those collectibles. Bang. Yeah, it just has moment of truth. Then I get a 94. 3, 2, 1. Bang. JJ Barea. How much does he go for? JJ. He goes for like 400K, guys. So that's gonna wrap up for the video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.